Use the masquerade machine correctly. This is plugged in. This is lithium battery. First of all, look at the direction of the triangle on the top of the skull. Yes, it's rotated downwards. This lithium battery, it also rotates down. But there are also some that are not. Put it flat. Do not plug in. Install this protective cover. This cover has a bulge on it. This flange, which has a recess. Sometimes if you press it down, you find a screwdriver and release it, aiming at this hole. Someone is pretending to be like this. If you pretend like this, you may pretend like this. It may be wrong. It's going to rotate this over and over to this position. Then tighten this screw after tightening it. Take a look at this protective cover to protect yourself. And take a look when you hold this handle with your hand. Be sure to tilt down and lean to this position to protect this finger. And see that you don't have your finger to protect it. Protect this wrist. Above, then, I will disassemble this pressure plate. For example, the new pressure plate is not enough. I will dismantle it, I will install it, and disassemble it. I will also operate it like this. Hold down the lock point at the back. Sometimes pinch it and not move. You need to rotate it to let it snap into the Panasonic platen. It has two. This is the lower pressure plate. There is a slot. This slot is broken. This is the upper pressure plate, and then cut this slice. This is the cut piece. This is a 100 masked machine. 100/110 can be edged with an iron ring. Exactly corresponds to this location seen. Now fit it in, and put this upper pressure plate on. Then hold down the lock point and rotate it later. If you can't, press it in. Stuck in and call the wrench to press the upper button. Once you have pressed up, release the wrench and let it spin. A bit must be ejected. If it is not ejected when you cut a serrated needle, as soon as the power is turned on, the helmet will break and crack, causing the helmet to be scrapped. After installing it, it can be used with electric sawtooth. See this hole. There is no masquerade machine. There is some masquerade machine. This belongs to the auxiliary handle, and it also belongs to the auxiliary. If you need to put it on, especially when cutting, I'll show you how to put it on. This hand assists and then goes like this to cut. This is not available in all masquerade machines. This is an option. This is an accessory. The same is true for the brand's products. If you like it, keep the audience on the next video and remember to share it.